lot of people comment on my videos that say, Infamous Joel, you're always talking about making these little teeny tiny bits amount of money, $5, $10, $20. Where's the big bucks? How do I make the big money? How do I make 200, 400, all the way up to 800, $850 a day? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And you might be asking, well, why haven't I heard this from other gurus? Why haven't I heard this from people who do this stuff, make money online? Why haven't they told me about this? I have no idea. I don't know why they haven't told you about this, but that's what we do on this channel. We learn and we earn together, okay? So if it's your first time on the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We talk about everything make money online, so you could fire your boss, you could leave that 9 to 5, and you could be home, spending more time with your family, with your kids, with your friends, traveling more. That's what we want. We want the passive income. We want to make money online. I'm the infamous Joel. Your boss absolutely can't stand me, hates me. And if it's your first time here, make sure you also smash that like button and leave a comment down below. Tell me what makes you want to leave your 9 to 5. What makes you hate your job and want to leave your 9 to 5? What actually is going on in your mind? What's happening in your head? Why do you want to leave? Why do you want to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment? Leave a comment down below and tell me all about it. Let's get to know each other here on this channel. Let's get into it. Now, before we get started here, what I'm going to need you to do is absolutely positively, you're going to need to watch this video all the way to the end. But I'm going to need you to watch it not just once, but I need you to watch it twice. And let me explain why. They always say there's all this research, scientific mumbo jumbo that says you really don't retain anything until the second time. You ever read a book the second time and you realize, like, it feels like I'm reading this book for the first time because I didn't really retain it the first time. So I need you to watch this video once and just watch it. Just go all the way through the video, get the general idea of this system, of this breakdown that I'm going to teach you. And then after you watch it one time, the whole time, the first time, and you have a general idea of it, then the second time, go through the video and actually walk with me step by step in this system here. Because if you miss even one part of this system, if you don't set it up completely, perfectly, exactly right, then you're going to miss the entire thing. You're not going to make money if you don't do it exactly the way I'm showing you right here, okay? So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over to Google, and I want you to Google shrinkme.io or shrinkme.io. It should give you this website right here, shrinkme.io. Okay, if this is confusing to you so far, just ride with me, okay? Remember, watch the entire video all the way to the end and then watch it one more time and walk with me step by step. Now, this is the first part of this system, of this method that I'm going to break down to you. This website right here, shrinkme.io, people are actually earning real money on this website with this tactic that I'm going to show you in this video. And if you want proof, here's payment proof right up here in the top corner. You can click payment proof and you can see people here from all over the world making money right now in real time. Look at the dates, look at the times. This is really all happening in real time right now. People are making payments every minute, every hour. It's happening, okay? If you don't believe in passive income, it's true. It's right there in front of your face. And another thing that's awesome about this site is no matter where you are in the world, that's right, this is a worldwide technique, a worldwide method. You can get paid from this website. I don't care what country you're from. They accept Payoneer, PayPal, Stripe, all kinds of different stuff, okay? They will pay you in so many different types of ways. You can receive payment no matter what country you're from. So just make sure you watch to the end of this video one time and then watch it again a second time so you can walk through this method with me and actually apply it, okay? Because most of the people watching this video, sadly, they're not going to apply what I'm teaching them, and then they're going to complain and say, well, I haven't made any money yet. Well, did you actually walk through the steps that I talked about in this video? And if you haven't walked through the steps in this video, I have another video up here in the corner where I talk about another method where I broke down how to make money online. Okay, so there's plenty of different videos on this channel that'll show you how to make money online, but you have to actually apply yourself. Now let's go to the next part of this method. Okay, now you're asking yourself, Infamous Joel, what is this tactic? What is this method you're trying to show me? I'm excited to learn all about it because I want to make this much money every single day. And the beauty of this method, the most amazing thing about this method is you don't have to sell anything at all. Okay, first of all, before we get started, because I'm going to break down this method for you step by step. I hope this is the second time you're watching this video because this is a lot to keep up on, okay? Let's look at the payout rates. And as you can see, This website, this shrinkme.io, if you don't know what it is, it's basically a link shortener, okay? There's a lot of really long links on the internet, long, right? They're blah, 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 blah.com. They're long links, right? But what this website does is it shortens those links, and they actually pay you out when anyone clicks on those links. Clicks, right? Just clicks. No one has to buy anything. No one has to go to a landing page. It's super ridiculously stupid easy, okay? So all you have to do is, if you look at this payout thing, right, you notice that people from Greenland are going to pay you the most. They're going to pay you about $22, right? $22 for people clicking on the link. Belgium is a pretty high one. They got United States, that's $7, okay? So people clicking on your links, they're basically, that's what's going to pay you out. Shrinkme.io is going to pay you. Now, what I'm going to show you, this method that I'm going to show you of getting people to click on these links, you're thinking, oh, do I have to spam people? Do I have to do this and that? Do I have to, oh, this sounds really hard. Okay, it is not hard at all. If you're looking for ways to make money online, you want to make money online, this is one of the easiest ways, okay? I'm going to show you a step-by-step method right here. And without getting into too much detail about it, because we're a little early in it, but later on I'm going to show you the whole thing step by step. It involves getting YouTube videos, right? We're going to take YouTube videos. We're going to find really popular YouTube videos that talk about a specific thing. And all we're going to do is we're going to go over to Facebook. We're going to find people on Facebook who want to solve a specific problem. They need a problem solved. And then we're going to direct them to these YouTube videos. Simple as that. That's the short version, right? But I'm going to walk you through this step by step. So make sure you watch the rest of this video. I'm going to show you exactly how to do all this. All this is completely free. You can do this from anywhere in the world, and you can get paid money easily every single day. Now, let's go over to YouTube first so I can show you how this looks. And if we go over to YouTube, we can put in the search bar right here, and just for the sake of this video, we're going to put affiliate marketing, and we're going to put one of my videos, right? You can do one of my videos, affiliate marketing Joel there, and you see one of my videos pops up here at the top. Obviously, I'm the only infamous marketer there is out there, only one named Joel. So obviously my video is going to pop up here. And if we click this link, and we don't, let me talk here for a second. No, don't talk. And we click this link, and we can see that we can actually right click and we can copy the video URL, right? Simple as that. So we go back to shrinkme.io, stop this video, and go back and figure it all out if I'm talking too fast for you. But we grab the link from the video, we go back here to shrinkme.io, we have to create an account, and I'm going to speedball past this part. So here we are on the back end, the dashboard of shrinkme.io. This is what it looks like. I've created an account, and let's go ahead and do a new shortened link, and we're going to paste that same YouTube video URL, my YouTube video URL, that's all about affiliate marketing and whatnot. If you don't know what that is, you don't even need to know, okay? Just follow along with this method, and it's going to show you how to make money super easy online, okay? So now it gave us this Shrink Me short URL, right? This is a shorter version of the same exact URL. It's going to take you over to the YouTube video if you ever clicked it. We'll copy it. If you want, you can keep it somewhere safe. Keep it in a Google Doc, keep it in a notepad, keep it in a file somewhere, whatever. But this is your link. You've just created your very own affiliate link, but it's not to buy anything. It's not to sell this. It's not to sell that. It's just for a YouTube video. And how many people would appreciate you just sending them a YouTube video that can help them solve their problems, right? And you can do this all day, every day. You can find YouTube videos that solve specific problems. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to Facebook.com. That's right. Facebook is still the biggest social media company, biggest social network there is on planet Earth. So this is where the most people are hanging out at, regardless of what you've heard. I know TikTok's on the rise. I love me some TikTok, but Facebook is still where it's at. But this is what we're going to do. We're going to click on groups. Okay. We're going to go over to Facebook groups, because this is where people are collecting, right? People are together. There's groups with massive amounts of people and whatnot. And they're all sharing a lot of the same problems. They're all there to discuss certain things, right? So if we go down here, you can see I'm in a ton of affiliate marketing groups. I even have my own. So you can come to my own group and whatever you want. I don't really care. You can go in there and you can meet up with people. You can network with people, okay? So let's go over here to Brian Brewer's affiliate marketing group. Nice guy. I like Brian Brewer. He's a good dude. All right, so we'll go over here to his group, And you can see that people are posting all kinds of stuff. Continue to be great in your affiliate business. Some people are posting different problems that they have or successes that they have or whatever. So here's what we're going to do. Now that we're in his group, right, we can easily just go over here and click on members. Okay, and if you need more of a breakdown about this technique, I have a video right here where I show you my entire Messenger skills masterclass, how to talk to people in Messenger, how to get them to do whatever you want them to do. Is very psychologically, professional stuff. Okay, you can get people to do whatever you want if you know what to say. I have scripts in there. I have a whole breakdown, my Messenger strategy. Okay, and that's to sell stuff. It's 1,000 times easier when all you're doing is you're sending them a link. Okay. You're sending them a link. So we can go in here, and as you can see, people new to the group, you can add friends, right? You can add about, in my experience, you can add about 20, maybe 25 friends per day on Facebook max before you start pissing Facebook off. Basically, Facebook starts looking at it, hey, what are you doing here? But you can even see what countries they're from a lot of times. You click and look at their profile, it'll tell you where they're from. And if you want people from, I think it was Bulgaria or something like that, you want the highest payout for, then only add those friends, right? And then just talk to them and send them the link to a YouTube video. Okay, it's the easiest thing in the world. It's just to a YouTube video, right? And so you get paid that way, and you start making money worldwide, easy peasy. If you need more help with making money online, click this playlist over to my left or right, I don't know where it is, and get started doing that.